In this video, I'll show you how to log out or sign out of YouTube on a Samsung phone. So if we come to the settings, you'll notice that there's no sign out button that there usually is on other apps. So what you need to do instead is come to your home screen and find YouTube. So if you press and hold the YouTube icon and press on the I in the top right to open up the app info, what you want to do is scroll down to storage, and then in the bottom left tap on clear data and then confirm it by pressing delete. And if we open up YouTube, we should be logged out. And it's successful, we were logged out. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.